We are the foresters who work daily to manage healthy and diverse public forests across Europe. To keep our forests resilient, strategic fire management is crucial. Climate and land use change have amplified the intensity of forest fires in large parts of Europe. Fire seasons are getting longer and fire risk greater, leading to potential major economic, ecologic and social losses. Prescribed burning, forest thinning and other active forest management are great measures to enhance biodiversity, improve the ecosystem's quality and promote resilience. Through active and carefully planned management, our members keep the forests in optimal shape to prevent forest fire and ensure the resilience of our forests and rural communities. We are the European State Forestry Organisations.